routine. So until next time, keep fit and have fun.
Body break.
On this season of Ice Pilots NWT, the boys pack up the Douglas DC-4 and head out west to the Rocky Mountains.
Here we are at Bronson Creek, BC. The Oil Goblin Buffalo DC-4 pitched against the coastal mountains, transporting iron ore concentrate from the Cominco mine here at Bronson Creek to Wrangell, Alaska, with 900 bags to move.
With a limited number of bags, the more bags they move, the more money they'll make. Luckily, the DC-4 is a lot faster than the smaller DC-3. But that doesn't matter if you can't even find the runway. So Buffalo has installed the latest radar systems and the new global positioning system called GPS. Can technology help these rugged bush pilots complete the mission? The crew has to land on airstrips that look more like dirt roads. Fitted with the most modern external cameras, we get the rare opportunity to fly along on these aerial adventures. Pushing these warbirds to the limit has its cost. The ground crew will have to work long hours to keep these birds in the air.
Now what?
Been up all night. How could I work? I'm just not sleeping. I'm staying awake.
For every hour the DC-4s are on the ground, the DC-3 gets more money. But that's not all. Like blood in the water, more sharks show up to get in on the action. Fitted with better doors, this strange aircraft opens up wide to steal more trips. But that can't stop our mission. The Alaskan wilderness is a beautiful but unforgiving place that has to be seen to be believed. So check your local listings and get ready to buckle up and take off with Ice Pilots this fall, only on CBC.
This is CBC, Public Broadcasting.
My best invention yet. 2005.